For the elevator, I used small balsa, tiny wood with the EPO safe glue, so that it can lift both sides of the elevator together in a balanced way, so that the plane doesn't move around when it's lift up and down. And I have broken a little bit the front nozzle part, where I used a piece of balsa wood to make it a bit safer, so that it's much stronger, since this aircraft is not that strong. When once you hit the ground, sometimes mistakenly it breaks. But once you have some, you can buy some from the Bunnings or any hardware shop, or even in the local hobby warehouse, you can buy a piece of balsa wood, which you can use for fitting the nozzle part. And the other thing that I changed is not really I changed. That's it.